Hey guys, Eric here from 200 Shirts in 20 Days. Today we're going to show you how to fix the little problem of when you're not able to use a custom thumbnail when we come back. Alright, so you can see I've got a little bit of videos here, and if I want to change, let's say, this thumbnail here, click on Edit. And what you'll notice is right here, it says your account isn't eligible for custom thumbnails. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Channel. We're going to go to Verify. So now basically all you're doing is an account verification. Country, make sure it's selected, and then how do they deliver the verification code to you? I prefer text. Okay. Now I'm not going to write down my number right now, but once you put in your number, just click Submit. Now, once inside, the next screen is actually a verification code that you will get from your phone. My number was on there, so I don't know how to block that out. So once you've done that, now it's verified, continue. Now I'm going to go back to the same video, this one specifically, and you can see now it says custom thumbnail. Let's save it. Let's go back. And again, this gives you guys an idea of how to do it. It's actually very simple. Once again, thanks for watching the video. If you need help with your affiliate business, and the one business that I know quite well is the t-shirt business, so print on demand. Again, this is Eric from 200 Shirts in 20 Days. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below, and I'll get back with you. Thanks again for watching. See you real soon.